Welcome to this episode of Review by Wes. I'm your host, Wesley. On my last video, I shared with you 7 accessories that you should consider getting after receiving your Model 3, and one of which is, having a USB drive for your dash cam. Well, today I will show you how to set it up in your dash cam for your Model 3. Now, if you're interested on seeing what are the 7 accessories to consider, you could click the link here. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my latest review and updates. So let's dive right in. Tesla version 9 software has added many enhancements, one of which is the dash cam. This features enable Tesla owner to record and store video footages captured by your car's forward-facing camera onto a USB drive. To enable this feature, you will need to obtain a USB drive, which you can get it from Amazon or any other retailer. If you're getting one, I recommend getting at least 32 gig in storage size. But before you can use it, you will need to first format the drive. Since I am a Mac user, this tutorial is formatted for Mac user only. Sorry, Windows users. Anyway, to get started, you need to plug in your thumb drive to your computer or laptop. The next thing you need to do is search up Disk Utility and launch this app. Then you will select the USB drive and click on Erase. A dialog box will appear and you will need to first fill in the name of the drive. Then for the format, you need to select MS-DOS FAT from the drop-down. For scheme, you will need to select Apple Partition Map. Once it's done formatting, you will need to create a folder and name it Tesla Cam. Now, the folder is now created. You can then take this to your Model 3. Now, to plug in the drive, first open your phone charging cover from the console. Okay, then lift up the charging resting plate. Here you will see 2 USB wires connecting to the USB port. Unplug any one of the USB wires. Then insert your formatted USB drive to the port. Once you insert this, your Tesla screen will appear a camera icon with a red dot on it. This tells you are now in the correct mode and your car is in the recording mode. To save the recording, you need to tap on the camera icon. Now when you do this, this will change the icon to a download icon, and it will save 10 minutes of video clip. After the clip is successfully downloaded to your drive, the camera icon will reappear, but now has a green checkbox instead of a dot icon. So you will know the transfer is complete. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, don't let it go wasted. Let's go and go set up for your car. There's not better thing to protect your assets so that you can see where you're going. Anyway, we're almost out of time. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, enrich others with your knowledge.